Hi, GCC Fitness Center students. Welcome to week 3 of your hybrid online kind of fitness center course. We are officially in week 3, and I just wanted to touch base with you on a couple of key items. First is you must be completing these academic assignments that are required each week. You have to complete these in order to stay active in the course. Meaning if you don't turn these in by Sunday night at 11:59, you will receive a message from me stating that you aren't meeting the requirements to stay active in this course and you will be withdrawn. So please make sure that you are completing these required academic assignments. Okay, this week in week 3, it's going to be a short quiz on the healthiest countries. So you're just going to click on that. You're going to read the article from Ace Fitness, which is Fitness and Nutrition Tips from the Healthiest Countries. It's a very short article, and then there is a short quiz, and you'll just be answering a few questions about what was stated in the article and how you can apply those principles to your life. Okay, so please make sure that you are completing that that required assignment each week. Remember, we are in week 3 this week, so your goal for this week by the end of the week, so Sunday, September 13th, will be to have roughly 9 to 10, maybe even 11 fitness center hours up to this point. Okay, please review the video that I posted previously in the announcements about how to check your hours, so you can do that as well. Okay, when you're completing your activity quizzes, please make sure that as you are completing them, that you are including all of the necessary details. If you get a 0 on one of your activity quizzes, it's because you did not complete all of the information necessary. Okay, so you're going to check what activity you participated in and then how long you participated in the activity. If for some reason you do an activity that is less than 30 minutes, you will not receive credit for the course for that time. So please make sure the activities that you're participating in are 30 minutes or longer. Also note that if you are completing 2 different activities or activities that are for extended periods of time of more than 60 minutes, let's say you went for a hike and it was 2 hours, please check that you went 60 minutes and then fill out 2 activity quizzes for that. Okay, so you'd fill out activity quiz 3.1 for your first hour of your hike, and then activity quiz 3.2 for your second hour of your hike. Okay, so if you're participating in those activities that are longer than 60 minutes, make sure you're getting 2 activity quizzes for them. A lot of you have maybe done yoga for an hour and then you'll go for a walk for an hour. Separate those and fill out 2 separate activity quizzes. As a side note, you are only allowed to complete 2 activity quizzes per day in this course. So if on Monday you go for, you do your yoga for an hour and then you go for a walk for an hour, you would want to submit those on Monday so that you have credit for those on Monday. That would be your maximum number of activity quizzes you could have submitted for that day. Okay. In question number 3, please make sure that you're noting some key activities that you did. So for example, if you did yoga, please tell me what type of yoga you did. If you did a continuous flow yoga or a vinyasa yoga for 60 minutes, note some of the poses you did. Say maybe you did sun salutations, or you did warrior 1 and warrior 2 and a series of plank poses. And that you noticed the plank poses were really great for your abs. Or please note that maybe you did pigeon pose and it really opened up your hips and you've been having a little bit of hip and low back pain from all the sitting you've been doing. So it was a really great yoga session. Okay, give me something to work with in your feedback about your workout. Not just, I went for a walk for 60 minutes, it was good. Okay, give me a little bit more information on that. Okay. And then on question number 4, most of you have been doing a great job with including that key accountability piece. So keep that up. Okay. So just remember big things this week. Number 1 is make sure you do that required assignment, reading the article and filling out the quiz. And then your goal should be to be at around somewhere between 9 and 10 hours by the end of week 3 in order to earn your A by the end of the course. So keep working hard. And if you have any questions, as always, click over here on your inbox and send me a message. Have a great week.